You better be careful. Hook will get you.
Come here, Hook. Come here, Hook.
Come here. Come here. You just gotta calm down. Where'd the baby go? Hook's in there. Where'd the baby go? Where'd that baby?
Come here, Hook.
Come here, Kiki. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Come on, Kiki. Come on, Kiki. Come on. Oh, fuck that. Flop. Annabella flop. She is an adorable cat.
Yes.
Come
He.
on. He is an adorable cat. Yes, he is. Oh, roll over there, Stinky baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. You boy. I love that. Oh, back. Billy. Give me that Billy.
They're on the stairs.
No.
They're playing on the stairs. You gonna play on the stairs, Hook?
I'm telling you, she is going to have a workout.
I guess I'll go
You
take
think about
it
what
out.
they're going to do all day. Hey, look.
I am. Oh, we're back downstairs, are we, children? Hmm? Hi, girls. You coming up, girls? Come on. Come on up. Yeah, you can come up. Yes, I know. That doggy chasing you all over the house. Come on, Britt. Whoa, listen to you. Listen to you. Does the kitty like shoes? We got shoes everywhere.
See, the kitten is getting more and more used to her.
Mm-hmm.
Better get a drink of water.
She don't want to take the time.
How many minutes in on something? Oh, look.
Aren't we cute? Oh, look at that tail in front of the camera. Hi, baby. Oops. I lost you.
Oh, and Brittany's giving
Hi,
her kisses.
girlies. Did you get a
Brittany,
kiss?
give her kisses. Give her a kiss.
You better take a moment and get a drink, Brittany. Are you thirsty?
You better get a drink of
You
water.
better get a drink of water,
You better
sweetie.
get some water. Oh, no, I ain't got time.
Not with this kitty here. Hello, Hook. Hello, Hook. Oh, there they go. Listen to them. Listen to them running under the table.
Hey, when we come home of the night, that dog is going to be flattened out. Wore out. And the best exercise in the world. Hook will just lay and watch.
Mm-hmm.
Hook will just lay and watch it. I think we got a name or something else.
No, I like the name.
Hook.
Yeah, I think it's appropriate.
She's stalking.
Brittany was afraid to stop and get a drink.
She's not going to hurt you. Yeah.
right behind. They're all behind the couch.